So, being resourceful with the environment. It's a really key part of outdoor learning. It's a really key part of our approach at the Outdoors Group. So the first thing is that environment is as important to learning as any facilitator. It is a really core part of how we experience learning, and we need to understand the relationship between ourselves as facilitators, ourselves as learners, and as human beings in nature. All of those things need to combine. The environment supports metaphor. I've done another short video on metaphor which explains that a bit more, but the power of metaphor in learning is really crucial, and the environment just is a wealth of metaphor for us to explore. It supports resilience, problem solving and creative play in a way that a classroom setting or an indoor setting is just not set up to do. It doesn't have the kind of unlimited capacity that the outdoor space does to inform that kind of creative process. The environment supports inquiry and discovery. We go on a very experiential journey when we start looking at how things grow, how things move, how things change through the seasons, and how that relationship with us and with those around us in that experience are shaped and formed by those different elements and those different changes. It provides an unlimited learning opportunity and resource creation. I mean, everything we have comes from nature. Earth is a closed system, so however far removed from nature you think you are, whether you're sat at home with all of your high-tech gadgets around you, they've all still come from the planet. And so the last point is that it helps us understand the provenance of things, their roots and their context. We can track everything in our experience back to the natural world. In that sense, nature and the environment are metacognitive. They allow us that platform to learn and explore and discover everything that humans have created, as well as everything in the natural world.